Hey guys, I know it's late, like really late, but today I'm going to show you how to make slime. So yeah, let's get to it. Hold on, confused. Wait, what? Hold on. Put it from the top. Okay. Hold on. I'm going. Okay. So, okay. Sorry. Got it. Okay. So here we go. That was my friend. She texted me. I'll answer her later. She'll be okay. Okay, so we're gonna put some glue in here. I don't have much glue, but I'm trying to make whatever I can out of it. Oh yeah, by the way, the things you will need: some glue, whatever mixture you want to use. You can use contact solution and baking soda, or borax and water, or whatever you call it. Okay, so that's all the glue I'm gonna use out of that bottle because there's nothing else left in it. Oh, and lotion if you want yours to be really stretchy. The lotion idea I got from Halo Haley. Go subscribe to her. She's Australian. Love her accent. That's enough of this. Hold on, I'm coming back. Okay, I got it. I need, and food coloring is optional. I'm using a drop of green and a drop of blue. And if you're making fluffy slime, you need shaving cream, which I'm making fluffy slime, so I need shaving cream, which I have. Okay, so where'd my spoon go? That's not it. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Okay. Ooh, that's really dark. Okay, that is really dark. It'll get lighter eventually, because I have to put shaving cream in it. And I know my old videos, see, I never really had the stuff to make slime, so I can never actually make it. It would be just a bunch of things I've seen on YouTube, which now I have the stuff to make it. And you want to put a little bit of lotion if you want your stretchy. And if you make fluffy slime, you don't need water, because if you use water with it, it will mess it up. It will make it like really weird. So I use Barbasol thick and rich shaving cream. I have the soothing aloe kind, and you can put some in there. I'm running out. I still have some. Hold on, I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. Oh crap! Got my shirt coming off my finger. Okay, here it goes. That's what it looks like so far. It's lighter on camera, but oh well. Okay, so then I think I added everything. So I'm going to start adding my borax and water. Or water, however you want to say. Okay, so it's already becoming slime. I think borax and water is the fastest and easiest way to make slime. So look, it's already making it. So you just want to keep adding it until once it starts to come off the sides. I guess that you would start, unless you maybe you just wait till it's like kind of all in a ball, or whenever you want to take it out. That works. So now, oops, yeah, I have to put some of my solution on my table. Ooh, that's warm. That feels good. And throw the slime on top. That's what makes it not sticky. If it will come off. Okay, I'm just gonna move this out of the way. I know you can't see it. I'm sorry. Maybe, okay, you can see it now, kind of. I have to hold on the paper, but I'll be able to. So that's what it looks like so far. It's not finished yet. I have a big slime, but I left it at school, and I'm mad. And the reason I can take my slime to school is because we have a really small school, but it's still really fun there. Well, okay. So yeah, we're having a lot of fun. And my slime is already done. This is it. It's really stretchy. Like, okay, it's kind of sticky still. So I'm gonna put there's still some solution down here. And there we go. Please like, subscribe, and comment, which I'm not done yet with this video. It's a lot of fun to do. I don't like leaving the videos. Well, I hope you liked it. And sweet dreams, everybody. Hold on. I'm almost done. Oh, please turn on my post notifications. Subscribe, like, and comment. There. Okay. Bye.